At BlueOrchard, we assess all our investments through our proprietary B.Impact Framework, evaluating both impact and ESG performance. Today, we will talk about a live example of how we apply this framework in practice, using the 5 dimensions of impact: what, how much, who, contribution, and risk.
Our example is BRAC Tanzania Finance Limited. Established in 2006 as part of BRAC International Finance, the company provides financial services to people at the bottom of the pyramid. It has been an investee of a BlueOrchard's managed strategy since 2022. In 2025, a financial inclusion strategy provided a new senior debt facility in local currency to support continued portfolio growth and expansion into underserved communities. Let's walk through how we assess this investment.
The first dimension is what. What impact is the investment intending to create? The impact intent in this case study is to expand finance to micro-entrepreneurs, particularly women, through BRAC Tanzania Finance Limited, that we will then refer to as BTFL for the rest of the video. The institution provides group-based microloans primarily to women, alongside small enterprise and agricultural loans tailored to rural smallholder farmers. The focus is on financing productive activities, trade, services, manufacturing, and agriculture, helping clients generate income and strengthen their livelihoods.
The second dimension is how much, meaning the scale and depth of impact. As of December 2025, BTFL serves more than 438,000 active borrowers with a gross loan portfolio of $127 million and over 2,800 employees. Outreach is strongly women-focused. Approximately 96% of clients are women, and nearly 60% are based in rural areas. Loans typically range from $80 to $10,000, with an average loan size of only $290, mainly supporting working capital needs and reflecting its focus on low-income entrepreneurs. Credit is complemented by financial and digital literacy training, strengthening clients' financial management capacity. Also, impact measurement is embedded in BTFL's operations. In its 2024 impact survey among women clients, 96% reported improved quality of life, 95% increased income and better financial management, and 89% increased savings. This gives us confidence not only in the depth and breadth of outreach, but also in real outcomes for clients, reflecting expanding opportunity and resilience. This is central to our theory of change.
The third dimension is who. Who is being reached and how underserved are the target clients in the context of Tanzania? We begin with a country-level needs assessment. Although financial inclusion in Tanzania has increased in recent years, significant gaps remain, particularly in rural areas where fewer than half of adults have active financial accounts, and women continue to lag behind men in formal access and usage. BTFL's clients are predominantly low-income women micro-entrepreneurs, a clearly underserved segment. Take the example of Amina from Dodoma. After her husband suffered a serious accident, she became the sole provider for her 3 children. With her first small loan from BTFL, she strengthened her food business and later invested in tailoring, starting with a sewing machine under a tree. Over time, she diversified her income, stabilized her household finances, and today her children attend school and the family is building their own home. Her story reflects the type of client BRAC Tanzania Finance Limited is reaching, meaning women with limited alternatives but strong entrepreneurial drive.
The fourth dimension is contribution, or how our investment makes a difference. Our 2025 facility was provided in local currency, reducing foreign exchange risk at the institutional level and avoiding the transfer of hedging costs to end clients, thereby preserving affordability. Beyond financial contribution, we also engage on ESG standards. For example, we supported BRAC Tanzania Finance Limited in strengthening its environmental and social policies in line with international standards, including IFC exclusion list requirements. Finally, we assess risk, or more precisely, what could prevent impact from being achieved. The primary risks are external and country-related. Tanzania faces macroeconomic and structural challenges, including rural poverty, climate vulnerability affecting agricultural borrowers, and broader economic volatility. These factors can influence clients' income stability and repayment capacity. However, we did not identify material internal risks, including those related to responsible lending or ESG practices.
Based on our assessment across all 5 dimensions, what, how much, who, contribution and risk, we consider BRAC Tanzania Finance Limited a very high impact investment. It is therefore a key contributor to the financial inclusion strategy, expanding responsible financial inclusion for underserved women and micro-entrepreneurs, and strengthening long-term socio-economic resilience.